Here are the tools we'll need to do the oil change. You need a waste oil drain pan, a filter wrench, a combination wrench, and rubber gloves. Okay, you're going to start by loosening the drain plug on the oil pan with the combination wrench. When it's loose, go ahead and unscrew it by hand. Make sure that your waste oil drain pan is ready underneath to catch the oil. Be sure you take the oil to the proper facility and recycle it. After all the oil has drained out, go ahead and replace the oil plug. Check the plug out and make sure it's in good shape, and replace the rubber gasket on it if necessary. You want to start it by hand and then tighten it up with a combination wrench. The oil filter is located behind the oil pan. The arrow is pointing to it. You want to unscrew the oil filter using the oil filter wrench. The filter wrench will give you equal tension on the filter. Make sure your oil drain pan is below to catch any oil that may run out. Just take out the old one and screw the new one in by hand. Don't use the filter wrench. You want to rub a little fresh oil over the gasket and turn it in by hand, and you want to turn it just hand tight. Then give it 3/4 of a turn to make it snug. Now this is where we refill the oil. Check your owner's manual and it will tell you what type of oil and how much of it to use. Make sure you don't lose the oil cap. They're expensive to replace and it will cause contamination to the oil because dirt and dust will get in there. Plus you're going to end up spending some money to replace it. You want to go ahead and put that cap back on hand tight, just snug. You want to make sure the car is on level ground when you check the oil, and you want to make sure you don't have too much in it. The best thing is to stay in the crisscross area so you don't have too little or too much. Go ahead and put the dipstick back in and you're done.